I mean, not that it matters, pero ang ganda. But you just have to wonder. Pero kasi nakalagay Cebu Greats eh. Di ba? At first, we thought it was Mark Meneses.
Because of the jersey number.
Yeah. Maybe it's Mark Meneses.
Francis Tamsi swings it to Baitiong. Boom Boom Tampos behind the back dribble, fades away and gets it to go. Tampos a rebound. Kim Ariar, pasa kay Boom Boom. Boom Boom nakalusot, lays it in. Back the other way, Veloso. Nawala sa kanyang bola. Bacolod beginning to throw the ball away, giving opportunities to Cebu, and they tie this thing up via that layup by Ichi.
By Bacolod, Desmond Price signaling to his team, let's take it easy, but he turns the ball over right after saying it. 3-on-1, well executed.
He's actually from Mindanao,
right.
But dun siya sumikat eh. Playing with Paul Desiderio, UV.
And then transferred to where?
I told him if there was some sort of a segment dahil papalapit na rin yung All-Star festivities natin, baka paunlakan tayo yan. But actually,
every time there's a play or a basket from Cebu,
matagal na rin nagsimula yan eh. June Manzo nakalusot sa depensa with an open layup. How about Boom Boom Tampos? Just all over the place. The pass to June Manzo on target from beyond the arc. Rafgo could not stop the bleeding. Nico Laban, pasa sa labas, Mesqueriola. Tumikada sa tres. And finally, Lim. Fake pass, Mesqueriola. Pinektusan pa yung reverse.
you know, and Bacolod taking advantage of that 4-on-2. Ito, may stop pa sila. Mascariola natapikan si Iwawi.
Mesqueriola bumangga. But did not have enough strength for the finish. Bounce pass ni Tamsi. Pamunta kay June Manzo. Lays it in. 3 minutes remaining. Manzo. Escosio. Shot fake. Lalapit. Side step. Naigulong paloob yung layup. Reverente. Pasa sa labas. Hesalem turns down the shot. Manzo with an escape act. Another layup. Veloso. Gives it up to Mesqueriola. Laban. Bounce pass to Mesqueriola. To the corner they go. Jetro Ting will drill in the baseline jumper. 6 seconds left. June Manzo taking a lot of time. Tamsi momentarily bubbled it up.